आपके पास आते हुए जैसे कि हमने पहले ही हमारे सभी लोगों को बता दिया है कि माइंडसेट कोच हैं आप। मैं आपसे पहला सवाल तो ये पूछना चाहूंगी, हमारा माइंडसेट जो है वो क्विकली आजकल बदलता है, हर चीज क्विकली आती है, क्विकली चली जाती है। उस वजह से जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं उसमें सेटिस्फेक्शन ना मिलना, या फिर जीत मिलने के बाद भी उसे इंजॉय ना करके क्विकली दूसरी चीज पर जंप कर जाना, ये जो माइंडसेट का गेम है ये कैसे काम करता है?
नमस्ते टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आजकल के जमाने में क्या मिसिंग है, दैट इज इच्छा, क्रिया और ज्ञान। So the desire to live itself is missing because the focus has shifted on the outcome. तो हम हैप्पीनेस को आउटकम के पास हम जब जोड़ते हैं, एवरीथिंग गोes missing. So it is important to start creating value and also see how we can bring happiness to the others as well as ourselves. When we do that, that is the ultimate goal to ultimate way to reach our goals and also live a fulfilled life. ये तो बहुत मिसिंग है क्योंकि इच्छा क्रिया ज्ञान ही मिसिंग है. That icha is the desire to live the life you want. Second is the kriya, the action to take. Action ही मिसिंग है क्योंकि माइंडसेट में ही प्रॉब्लम है. काफी लोग डरते हैं या किसी और के एक्सपेक्टेशन के ऊपर ही जीते हैं, and they don't live the life they want. They don't choose the careers they want. So there itself everything goes missing and there is no clarity of thought. Focus भी जा रहा है क्योंकि they have not got enough thinking time. Thinking time भी नहीं देते हैं काफी लोग. In my observation, the youth who have connected to nature and learned to silence their mind, unke yahan, I think they have more clarity of thought and focus. I think they have more clarity of thought and focus. It is because they are observing everything around them rather than ज़्यादा वक्त टीवी के ऊपर या मीडिया के ऊपर और सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर. they are not giving it.
सुचिता जी, आप जरा बताएं कि अगर हमें खुश रहना है तो इसके लिए किस तरीके की आदतों को हम अपनाएं?
The first thing is to stay happy, not connect happiness to unnecessarily an outcome. So we can stay happy without connecting it to anything. So first thing is to stay happy, and the second thing is to have the right mindset. That is to be positive all the time. Yes, of course. कई बार negative incidences आ जाता है life में. At such points, it is important to communicate and be vulnerable. हम जब वो problem solve करते हैं, तभी तो हमारा energies भी release होता है, all the blocked energies, and we will be able to live a much better life. So solution, communication and solution are the most important parts that one has to pay importance to.
True. सुचिता जी, आप बताएं पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट विकसित कैसे किया जाए?
Positive mindset comes by taking positive actions. So action also is very important. Taking directed action towards something that means a lot to you. It is important to feel what will a particular action make you feel. So most of the time we numb that part and concentration होता है इससे कैसे पैसा बनाए वैसा. So it always has to be directed towards the value that we can give towards others. So when we think of the other person, that is, how can I bring value in the other person's life as well as bring value to myself, then many things fall in place. So that itself is a great motivator for a great mindset. So I hope this helps many people. Please make a note of this. Bring value to people's life if you want to bring value to yourself as well as others.